Hi, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to be on top of the latest buzz, then hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss any videos from our channel. 2022 has been the year where we shook off COVID-19 fear and emerged hopeful and somewhat triumphant and finally moved on with our lives. So, as homage to science, we have gone ahead and compiled a list of the biggest scientific discoveries of 2022. Put your goggles and lab coats on and let's go. Number 1. AI reveals new antibiotics. Throughout the past few years, AI has transformed the field of molecular biology. This year, AI has achieved another breakthrough. Several research groups reported the first successful application of AI to identify novel antibiotic drugs. Antimicrobial resistance is a real and present threat. This year, the Global Research on Antimicrobial Resistance report indicated that worldwide 4.95 million deaths were attributed to drug-resistant bacteria. This means that the leading cause of deaths in 2022 were drug-resistant bacteria. Developing new drugs that overcome resistance is a continuous struggle, and that is where AI is now beginning to make a major contribution. Number 2. Robot performs first laparoscopic surgery without human help. A robot has performed surgery on the soft tissue of a pig without the guiding hand of a human. Yes, you heard us right. This is a significant step forward for fully automated surgery on humans. The robot named Star was designed by a team of Johns Hopkins University researchers. What makes the Star special is that it is the first robotic system to plan, adapt, and execute a surgical plan on soft tissue, with minimal human intervention. Soft tissue surgery is especially difficult for robots because it is unpredictable, meaning it forces them to adapt quickly to handle unexpected obstacles. The Star has a novel control system that can adjust the surgical plan in real time, just as a human surgeon does. I guess we're going to enter the iRobot time quicker than we thought. Quiver. Number 3. 35,000-year-old well-preserved baby woolly mammoth. A miner working in the gold fields of Canada cut into a wall of permafrost in the hopes to reach the gold deposits. Suddenly, a big chunk of earth broke off the wall. To his surprise, the miner had discovered a well-preserved baby woolly mammoth. The skin, tusks, and hair were so well preserved that it looked like it had just died. Based on a quick examination, it was found that it was a female that was about a month old when she died more than 30,000 years ago. The mammoth is the most complete specimen discovered in North America to date. Each discovery allows paleontologists to broaden their knowledge of biodiversity and how life and living creatures change over time. Number 4. Cornea made from pig collagen gives blind people 20/20 vision. Up until now, corneal transplants required human donors. Only 1 out of every 70 people in need of care received one. This year, 20 people who were legally blind or severely visually impaired received a transplant of a cornea made from pig collagen. We're excited to report that all of them had improved sight. Out of these, 3 have 20/20 vision after being legally blind. Who could have imagined? Now we can finally say that not only is it delicious, but it's also good for us. Number 5. Scientists grow plants in lunar soil for the first time. Houston, we have a problem. No, we're not referring to the movie Apollo 13. We're referring to the lunar landing that is an iconic part of our human history. Well, this year, scientists have grown plants in soil samples collected from the moon 50 years ago. This could have huge implications, not only for prolonged space exploration, but for plants trying to thrive in harsh conditions on Earth. This research is also critical for long-term human exploration in deep space. Number 6. 3D printed ear from human cells. A lab had successfully 3D printed, yes, you heard it right, a human ear. And what is more interesting is that it was printed with the patient's cells. This does not eliminate but reduces the chances of rejection. The ear will continue to grow and generate cartilage tissue now that it's been implanted, giving it a natural look and feel. It is estimated that 1,500 babies born each year in the United States alone have microtia. The condition causes one or both ears to be underdeveloped or missing entirely. Number 7. Resurrecting dying organs. It is common knowledge that organs must be harvested right after the heart stops pumping blood for them to be viable. Thousands of organs are discarded because they aren't immediately preserved. In an unprecedented event by using a special mixture of blood and nutrients, scientists at Yale University preserved the function of multiple pig organs including the brain, liver, heart, and kidneys, a full hour after the animals had died. This research could help extend the viability of human organs one day, which are intended for life-saving transplants. Restoring basic organ functions well after the tissues have received fresh blood, and in some cases even promote cellular repair. Number 8. Complete genome sequencing. The Human Genome Project started work in 1990 and completed sequencing in 2003. Till that point, it had covered about 92% of the total human genome sequence. The technology to fill the gap didn't exist at the time, but scientists knew that the last 8% contained information important for fundamental biological processes. Since then, researchers have developed their better laboratory tools and computational methods. The final human genome sequence was completed and then described in a set of 6 papers on April 1, 2022, in the issue of Science magazine. New therapies and treatments will arise from this development. We hope you enjoyed our informative video. If so, then do give us a thumbs up. Keep watching your screen for more fun content. Thanks for watching.